Welcome back to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to fix Lenovo Digital Pen 2 issue like battery pairing and drivers.
Fix 1. Check the battery. Step 1. Unscrew the pen to open the battery compartment. Step 2. Remove the old AA battery. Step 3. Insert a new battery in the correct direction. Step 4. Tighten the pen cap and test if the pen responds. Repair the pen via Bluetooth. Step 1. On your Windows device, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices. Step 2. If the pen is already paired, click it and choose Remove Device. Step 3. Hold the top button on the pen until the LED starts blinking. Step 4. Select Lenovo Pen 2 from the Bluetooth list and pair it again. Fix 3. Update or reinstall drivers. Step 1. Press Windows, EX and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand Human Interface Devices. Step 3. Right-click Hid Compliant Pen, select Update Driver. Step 4. If updating doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your PC. Fix 4. Check Pen and Touch Settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Pen and Windows Inc. Step 2. Make sure pen input is enabled. Step 3. Test the pen in apps like OneNote or Whiteboard. Step 4. Customize pen shortcuts if needed.